Alright, so today we're going to try a little Goo Gun paint cleanup, which I don't think this is really going to do it, but we'll give it a shot anyway. I'm just making a little video here. Got some paint scuffs, or transfers as I like to call them. Basically where the boat rubbed up against something. And so this product's really made for like painting products at home. But we'll see if it works on this or not. It may or may not. I'm going to kind of keep it out of that vinyl. Alright, so I just want to let that sit a little bit. And then come in and just scrub on it. Alright, so that actually worked better than expected. Goo Gun does make a product called Goo Gun Extreme, and that's typically what I use on this. I happen to not have any, but I did have this Goo Gun paint remover, which is a product I've used on other paint issues, but never on transfers or scuffs like this. But it actually worked very well. The fiberglass and gel coat still looks shiny and glossy behind what I did, so it's not creating problems. Let's go with this bigger one after it's sat for a little bit. It's actually working pretty good. I'm having to scrub on it a little bit, but nothing major. I'm just using microfiber towel, so nothing special. This one was definitely a little bit worse, so not surprising it's taking a little more. I'm actually using my fingernail in front of the towel to kind of break up the bigger, heavier stuff. And because there's potentially a scratch here anyway from this, I'm not concerned about causing more of a scratch because I'm going to buff this anyway. But that's one thing to keep in mind. You never want to use your fingernail to scrape away something if you're not going to be buffing it next, because likelihood is you're creating a scratch with your fingernail. In this case, I understand that. Taking care of it that way anyway, because I plan to buff right behind this. And it works really well. Doing this one-handed, it's getting me. I should have had Tease up there doing this so I could be filming. But he's got other stuff he's working on. I'll switch hands because my arm's getting tired. Alright, so not 100% gone, but anything that doesn't come off here, when I wax, the product we use is going to take that off anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video just to keep it short, but as you can see, Meguiars paint cleanup will work well on fiberglass to remove any of those transfer or scuff type of scratches. It's not going to take out a true scratch, but anything that's transferred paint, rubber, anything like that, it should go ahead and take that off pretty easily. Alright, so then obviously always you want to follow up with a good wax. Thanks for watching. Peace.